Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. This is the Kaido House. We are going to do the unboxing today. And as we both know, it's not going to be a chase. No matter what we do, we are still gonna open it because we do not want chase. I like this version of this car. Here's all the details and everything. It says 86 over here. You can look at that. This looks so cool. This looks so cool. And this does also look so cool. The Trueno. I'm sorry for the camera. Wow. Let's just cut this one. Let's just cut it from, I'll cut it from here. You guys ready? Yeah, it should be. It's coming out. The Kaido House. Oh, wow. Yeah, there are some detailings on the box. Oh, wow. This time, Minijit is going. The Kaido House is actually going a little far. A little far. How? Let me show you. You see that plastic on the top? Not this one, of course. Let me show you which one I'm talking about. Yeah. This particular plastic. Let's put this here. See that? This is good. It is to keep the car safe. I like it. Oh, wow. This is so damn good. I haven't noticed that this have white roof. I was thinking that this is all black, but it came out really well. Look at the base first. Of course, we have this button over here, which is really deep, and we need to find a way to push this. We will. No problem. We have Kaido House logo, Mini GT, made in China, and the exhaust details here. The wheels are not threaded, of course. Look at this side. This is just simple two-tone color and looks so cool. Advan 86, I don't know what it says. Japanese. It says Kaido work here, Yokohama logo on the. These are 4-stroke Watanabe style wheels. Really nice. Because wheels like this looks good on cars like this. These are plastic, of course. We have a logo over here as well, which is very small, so I'll not even try to see what exactly it says. And here's your back. Look at that back. A very plain back of a very classic modern era looking car. Because on this AE86 they added these bumpers. And I don't know what. These are bumpers, I think. Yeah. I forget. I'm sorry, guys. I forget sometimes. I'm very excited to see this car. I forgot. Totally. It has Toyota logo on it. You see? It says Kaido on the number plate, Kaido House. It says Kaido work actually, not house. We have Apex here, Trueno here. And the exhaust coming out looks really cool. Wow. There are some details over here as well. And you can see the roll cage. There is a lot of space on this. Probably going to have one seat inside. We'll see that later. Before that, you see that front. This front looks cool. Really cool. It says Kaido House and have all the indicator details. This is carbon fiber with the number 86 on it. And this is your top view. you see, in the inside, this is red. There is black steering, red seats, this parrot yellow roll cage, and you can see the gear also, it's black. And then there is a steel plate on the base. Wow, very much well detailed. Where driver is going to sit, it's a steel plate on both sides, passenger as well as. And there are other tiny details as well. I won't be able to show you in like this, but let's pop the hood. Let's pop the hood and see what's in there. Yes, it's popped. Look at that V8. It's not V8, it's of course V4 or something, but look at that. We have this engine bar, battery details, and we have all the cap and radiator details over here. It's really nice. Let's see how these headlights comes out. I'll try to pull them out with this if I can. Yeah, they came out. Not tough. Not at all tough. You see those headlights? I don't know if these are plastic inserts or paint. Don't care. Looks cool. Looks really cool. Wow. What a masterpiece they made. Guys, this is the only car, AE86. There are many versions from the Mini GT coming out for this car, but this is the only version I liked. That's why I bought it. And probably you're not going to see any other unboxing on my YouTube for Kaido House AE86. This is going to be the only one because this is the one I like. This is the one I like. Let's see if this rolls. Yeah, rolls perfect. It rolls perfect. Wow. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.